Technology errors and omissions insurance, protecting your tech future with confidence. Understand technology errors and omissions insurance. Protect your tech business from costly service-related lawsuits and unexpected errors. Discover how this high-value coverage can secure your company's reputation, finances, and long-term success. We're diving into something that might not sound glamorous at first, but it's the lifeline of every successful tech entrepreneur, the secret weapon behind some of Silicon Valley's top companies. It's called Technology Errors and Omissions Insurance, or Tech E&O. And trust me, you don't want to skip this. Let me start with a story that might sound familiar. Imagine you're a fast-growing SaaS startup. You've just signed your biggest client, a healthcare giant, using your software to manage sensitive patient data. Everything's going smoothly, until an unexpected software glitch results in a critical data loss. The result? Lawsuits, regulatory penalties, brand damage. Your dream deal just turned into a 7-figure disaster. And here's the twist: it wasn't even your fault. A subcontracted API integration failed. But in the eyes of your client and the law, you're responsible. This is where technology errors and omissions insurance comes in. What is technology E&O insurance? Technology E&O insurance is a specialized form of liability coverage designed for tech companies, IT consultants, SaaS providers, app developers, and digital services firms. In simple terms, it protects you when your services, software, or advice cause a client to lose money and they sue you for it. It's not the same as general liability or cyber liability insurance. Those cover property damage or data breaches. But Tech E&O specifically covers negligence in your services, failure to perform as promised, breach of contract, missed deadlines or deliverables, unintentional copyright infringement. Why does this matter? Because in the tech world, even the smallest oversight can trigger massive financial losses. And your contracts won't always protect you. Real-world case study: how Tech E&O saved a company from collapse. Let's look at a real-world example. A fintech company built a trading platform for a Wall Street client. A tiny coding error caused incorrect pricing on securities. The client lost millions in trades. The client sued. The startup's Tech E&O insurance kicked in, covering $3.4 million in legal fees, settlements, and reputational management. Without it, that company would have filed bankruptcy before its Series B. Who needs technology errors and omissions insurance? If you're in any of these industries, you absolutely need Tech E&O. SaaS and cloud computing providers, web developers and app designers, data storage and analytics firms, tech consultants and managed service providers, fintech, health tech, ed tech companies, AI startups and software vendors. Even freelancers and boutique agencies can be hit with 6-figure lawsuits. Don't assume you're too small to be targeted. Clients sue based on damage, not your size. What does Tech E&O cover? Here's what a comprehensive E&O policy includes. Legal defense costs, even if you're not at fault. Settlements and judgments. Regulatory fines or penalties. Claims of performance failure or undelivered services. Client data loss or corruption. Employee errors or third-party negligence. Many policies also include media liability, defamation, and intellectual property disputes, all common risks in digital industries. The real cost of not having Tech E&O. Some think it's optional. Let's break that myth. The average E&O claim in tech is $500,000 plus. Some climb into multi-millions. Without coverage, you're paying out of pocket for lawyers, court costs, PR damage control, lost clients and contracts. That's not a risk, it's a time bomb. 5 FAQs about technology E&O insurance, with expert answers. Q1. Isn't cyber insurance enough? A. No. Cyber covers breaches and hacks. Tech E&O covers your services, like software errors, poor advice, or failed deliverables. Q2, what does it cost? A. For most small to mid-sized tech companies, expect $1,000 to $5,000 annually, depending on your revenue, clients, and services. Q3, is it legally required? A. Not usually, but many enterprise clients demand it in contracts before they'll sign. Q4, does it cover overseas work? A. Yes, but check your policy. Many offer global coverage, essential for tech firms serving international clients. Q5, can freelancers or startups afford it? A. Absolutely. Basic coverage can start at less than $100/month and can save you from a lawsuit that could cost you millions. Here's a step-by-step process to get technology errors and omissions, E&O, insurance, specifically tailored for tech businesses, SaaS providers, consultants, and startups. Step 1, assess your business risk profile. Identify what services/products you offer and where the risk lies, example coding errors, data losses, third-party integrations, platform downtime. Evaluate your client contracts, compliance obligations, and legal exposure. Step 2, decide what coverage you need. Do you need E&O insurance alone, or will you also need cyber liability, general liability, or business interruption insurance? Make sure to include coverage for subcontractors, offshore teams, or vendors if they're part of your workflow. Step 3, find a reputable insurance provider. Look for insurers who specialize in tech businesses, SaaS platforms, or digital services. Check user reviews, Better Business Bureau ratings, and business testimonials. Use brokers if needed, they can compare quotes across multiple providers. Step 4, compare policies and premiums. Collect at least 3 quotes from different insurers. Review coverage limits, exclusions, deductibles, legal defense costs. Always read the fine print to ensure there are no hidden gaps in coverage. Step 5, submit an application. You'll need to provide business details, structure, size, revenue, nature of services, risk mitigation strategies, QA processes, contracts, cybersecurity, claim history, if any. Some providers offer instant online applications, others require broker assistance. Step 6, underwriting and policy review. The insurer evaluates your application during underwriting. They may ask for additional documentation, contracts, terms of service, case studies, clarifications on your tech stack or workflow. This process may take 1 to 7 business days depending on complexity. Step 7, purchase the policy. Once approved, you'll receive a quote confirmation and policy documents. Pay the premium, monthly or annual. Save and store your certificate of insurance, COI. You'll need it for client contracts and funding rounds. Step 8, monitor, maintain, and renew. Set up annual reviews of your coverage based on new services launched, revenue growth, legal changes. Notify the insurer of major business changes. Keep your renewal dates on calendar to avoid lapse in coverage. Optional step, bundle with cyber and general liability insurance. For a cost-effective solution, bundle E&O with cyber insurance, data breaches, ransomware, commercial general liability, directors and officers, D&O, insurance. This may reduce overall premiums by 10 to 30%. Pro tip, don't delay insurance. Client contracts often require proof of insurance before onboarding. Lawsuits, even frivolous ones, can result in $100K plus legal costs. Securing coverage early is a defensive financial strategy. How to get covered today? Don't wait for a disaster to learn this lesson. Here's how to take action now. Use brokers who specialize in tech industry coverage. Bundle with cyber and general liability for cost savings. Read exclusions carefully, especially around subcontractors and IP clauses. Make sure it covers claims-made policies so you're covered even if the claim comes months later. Final takeaway: insurance isn't a cost. It's an investment in trust. In the fast-moving tech world, speed is everything. But so is security, legal, financial, and reputational. When you have Tech E&O insurance, you're not just protecting code. You're protecting your team, your clients, your brand, and your future. Success isn't just about scaling fast. It's about building a business that lasts. If you found this episode valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Subscribe, leave a comment, and share this episode with someone in the tech world who needs to hear it. And if you've ever faced a close call or legal scare, drop your story in the comments. We might feature it in a future episode. Disclaimer: this podcast is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or insurance advice. Please consult a licensed insurance advisor for guidance specific to your business needs.